Yo, ever heard of cloud computing but still confused? Alright, here's the deal. Cloud computing means using the internet to store, manage, and process your data instead of doing it all on your laptop or PC. Imagine this, instead of saving your files on a flash drive, you upload them to Google Drive or Dropbox. That's cloud storage, and it's just one part of cloud computing. Big companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft run massive data centers around the world. You just rent a piece of their power, so you don't need to buy expensive hardware. Why use it? It's fast, it's scalable, and yeah, it saves money. Think of it like Netflix. You don't download movies, you stream, same concept, but for software, servers, and data. So next time you hear, it's on the cloud, now you know it's just someone else's powerful computer. You're borrowing it. Follow for more tech in 60 seconds. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech in 60 seconds.